In 1919, a young engineer named Walter Owen Bentley had a singular vision. Not just to build a car, but to build the finest car in the world. The year is 1919. The First World War has just ended. While the world was rebuilding itself from the ashes, W.O. Bentley was building something extraordinary. The first Bentley, EXP1, was raw, powerful, and unapologetically alive. With a 4-liter engine and an open cockpit, it was a machine built for those who believed speed was a form of poetry. What followed was not merely a story of engineering, it was the birth of a legend. Through the 1920s, Bentley did not simply compete in motorsport. Bentley dominated it. Le Mans, 1924. A Bentley crosses the finish line first. Le Mans, 1927. Again. Le Mans, 1928, 1929, 1930. 5 victories in 7 years. The Bentley Boys became the most celebrated racing team of their era. They did not race for money. They raced because nothing else made them feel so completely alive. By 1930, W.O. Bentley had created his masterpiece, the Bentley 8-liter, with the largest engine ever fitted to a production car of its time, capable of reaching 100 miles per hour in near total silence, power and refinement, speed and serenity. In a Bentley, they were one and the same. But greatness is not immune to circumstance. In 1931, the Great Depression forced Bentley into receivership. Rolls-Royce acquired the company, and what followed was a different kind of excellence. The 1952 R-Type Continental, arguably the most beautiful car of the 20th century, proved that Bentley's soul had not been sold. It had simply evolved. Through the following decades, Bentley moved with quiet dignity. The T-Series arrived in 1965. Understated, elegant, commanding. These were cars for heads of state, for captains of industry, for those who understood that true luxury does not announce itself. It simply arrives. In 1980, Bentley spoke again. The Mulsanne, named after the famous Strait at Le Mans, where Bentleys once flew at over 200 kilometers per hour. Beneath its formal, dignified exterior lived a turbocharged engine of extraordinary force. Bentley had remembered who it was. The true renaissance came in 2003. The Continental GT arrived, and the world stopped. Here was a Bentley that could seat 4 in supreme comfort, cross a continent without fatigue, and reach 200 miles per hour without drama. It was not a compromise. It was a statement. Bentley had returned, and this time, the whole world was watching. With the Bentayga in 2015, Bentley entered territory it had never explored, the SUV. Critics questioned whether an SUV could carry the Bentley name with honor. The Bentayga answered every question without a single word. And then came the flying Spur, then the Bacalar, hand-built, one of 12 in the world. Each car a reminder that at Bentley, limits are not accepted. They are simply ignored. Today, Bentley stands at the edge of a new frontier. Electrification, sustainability, the future, the boldest expression of Bentley's values. Because Bentley has always believed that the future should be as extraordinary as the past. The cars are different now, the technology has changed. But when you sit inside a Bentley, any Bentley, from any era, you feel the same thing. You feel that someone, somewhere, cared deeply. Cared about every stitch of leather, every grain of wood, every note of the engine, 100 years, thousands of decisions, millions of details, one obsession. This is Bentley, and the story is far from over.